How do you increase income? You gotta sell. Sales equals income.
Top 5 products for dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the most popular and profitable online businesses to start in 2022. Setting up a profitable dropshipping business is simple and almost free. All you need to do is set up an e-commerce store, source products from an e-commerce market for your website, and begin promoting them on social media and search engines. Let's dive into the video to know the top 5 dropshipping products you should try, and they will make high profits. Watch till the end for more dropshipping tips and updates, and subscribe to 33Cube now. Here we begin. What type of dropshipping products sell more? Dropshipping relies heavily on impulse purchases. You promote a product on social media, usually through Facebook or Instagram ads, and if people like it, they buy it. In fact, anything can sell if it's properly displayed. Dropshipping success equals impulse buying plus purchasing power plus trending products. All you have to do is make your ad appealing and keep the price low. An appealing advertisement is a hook that will entice the audience to purchase the product. When they express an interest, you inform them of the price. The price should be low so that they sell quickly. What should you dropship? Some of the most popular dropshipping product categories include products that are under $10 and useful, such as a meat thermometer, keychains with red pepper spray, microwave cleaner, kitchen dish towel washcloths, cleaning tools, wipes, brushes, and so on. Products that are hard to come by elsewhere. You will automatically outperform the competition when you sell unique products that others typically do not sell. Air purifiers, for example, are examples of some life improvement products. If you provide high quality products, such items command a premium price. Following these product hunting strategies will assist you in developing the types of products that make a great dropshipping business. Picking the best dropshipping products. Customers are not all created equal. It's strange how some customers who buy small items believe they have the right to demand the moon, whereas other big spenders rarely ask for anything. Targeting the right demographic can be very beneficial to your business. The best dropshipping products are those that appeal to those customers and are worthwhile. Products that are frequently purchased. Another way for the best dropshipping products to manifest is through recurring revenue. If you sell disposable or frequently reordered products, you can quickly grow as you build a loyal customer base that frequently returns to purchase. Products for business. Business clients may purchase more price sensitive at times, but they almost always have an order in larger quantities than individual customers. Open the door to a long-term, high-value, profitable relationship once you've established a rapport and earned their trust. Try to sell dropshipping products to appeal to individual customers and businesses. Hobbyist products. People are crazy about their hobbies and spend ridiculous amounts on equipment, training, and tools. For example, many serious mountain bikers have bikes that are more expensive than their cars, and those who enjoy fishing may spend a fortune outfitting their boats. You can find the best dropshipping products if you target the right hobbyist niche and successfully connect with enthusiasts and their needs. Marketing potential. Before you launch a business, think about how you'll market it, not 3 months later when you release. Customer acquisition is a nightmare. Can you think of a few different ways to promote your store, such as writing articles, giving away products, or reaching out to active online communities to use the products you're selling? If not, you need to think about it, because your product's marketing potential determines whether it will be the best dropshipping for your business in the long run. Selling a product with numerous accessories is a great way to increase your overall margin. The perfect price. Make sure to carefully consider the price point in relation to the level of pre-sale service required. For example, most people easily place a $200 order online without speaking with anyone on the phone. But a $1,500 item they've never seen before, they're going to want to speak with a sales representative to ensure the item is a good fit and that the store is legitimate. If you intend to sell high-priced items, make sure you can provide enough personalized phone support. You also want to make sure the margins are high enough to justify the pre-sale assistance you'll need to provide. MAP pricing. Some manufacturers will set a minimum advertised price, or MAP, for their dropshipping products, and all resellers must price their products at or above certain levels. This pricing floor prevents price wars, which are common in dropshipping products, and ensures that merchants can make a reasonable profit by carrying a manufacturer's products. It's a huge advantage if you find a niche where manufacturers enforce MAP pricing, especially if you intend to build a high-value and information-rich site. With prices that are the same among all competitors, you can compete solely on the strength of your website and avoid losing business to a less reputable but cheaper competitor. Top 5 products for dropshipping. Clothing. When it comes to the best-selling dropshipping products, women's clothing is unquestionably at the top of the list. Of course, you've probably heard the phrase "nothing to wear" a million times, but as previously stated, global interest in women's clothing is always rising. T-shirt searches and sales are increasing as summer approaches. T-shirts are a great way to dropship items to sell because they can be worn in a variety of ways. Overshirts are also among the most popular dropshipping products for men's clothing. They can be formal or informal and come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Keeping up with the latest fashion trends is always in style. "I have nothing to wear" is still a common problem for the vast majority of fashion enthusiasts. Customers require clothing and accessories, and this market segment is never out of style. Clothing and fashion trends are constantly changing, making the market evergreen for sellers. According to one Statista report, the fashion industry generates a whopping almost $1 trillion in revenue by 2022. You can follow fashion accessory trends and experiment with seasonal clothing items for dropshipping. Mobile and laptop accessories. Mobile phones and laptop computers have permeated our daily lives, whether personal or professional. We've entered a period of massive digitization in which most of our activities are insufficient without the assistance of handheld devices. With the increased use of laptops and mobile phones comes an increased use and demand for their accessories. As a result, laptops and mobile accessories are among the most popular dropshipping items and sell quickly. This includes charging cables and adapters, wireless chargers, wireless keyboards and mice, USB lamps and fans, selfie sticks, and etc. Home and kitchen products. Online buyers are willing to spend hundreds of dollars on products and increase the value of their homes. From small apartments to luxury mansions, the kitchen is almost inseparable from every living space. Furthermore, cooking has emerged as a topic of interest for many online shoppers. Who doesn't enjoy personalizing their living space? Absolutely everyone does. Home and kitchen items are in high demand, making them one of the best dropshipping niches. Some of the best dropshipping products in this niche include curtains, night lamps, portable blenders, doormats, air fryers, electric kettles, anti-drain clogging, wall clocks, and etc. Tools. When it comes to the best dropshipping products this year, tools are another fantastic find. Tools are also in high demand according to the Google Trends graph. If you're considering dropshipping in 2022, shelves or complicated chainsaws are profitable because they are the best Amazon dropship items. This also includes smart locks, repair toolkits, cordless electric drills, digital micrometers, electronic scissors, welding tips, and more. Beauty products. Beauty and self-care are lucrative markets for dropshippers all over the world. With each passing day, the industry advances and reaches new heights. As a result, beauty and cosmetics are among the best dropshipping niches and are more profitable than ever. BTS Wholesaler is a well-known dropshipper supplier of cosmetics and perfumes. The Magento 2 PDS Wholesaler dropshipping extension allows merchants to sell products directly from BTS Wholesaler on the Magento 2 online stores. People nowadays are more concerned with personal hygiene and self-care. Some of this niche's most popular dropshipping products are cleansing, UV protection, rejuvenation, and so on. If you want to get serious about dropshipping, consider selling the best-selling items like makeup mirrors, hair extensions, facial steamer, and more. Let us know your views in the comments below and subscribe to 33Cube now.